How mummies were made. The ancient Egyptian art of mummification. Important message. Death was only the beginning for the ancient Egyptians. To conquer decay and achieve eternal life, they perfected an incredible science, mummification. But how exactly did they preserve bodies for thousands of years? Let's unravel the secrets of the mummies. Step 1. Purification. Preparing the body. The process began with purification. The body was washed with water from the sacred Nile and anointed with palm wine to kill bacteria. Then, the embalmers got to work. Using a sharp stone blade, they made a small cut on the left side to remove the internal organs, except the heart, which was believed to hold the soul. The liver, lungs, stomach, and intestines were preserved in canopic jars, each guarded by one of the 4 sons of Horus. The brain, they didn't need it. It was pulled out through the nose with a hook and discarded. Step 2. Drying. The power of natron salt asterisk. Next came the drying stage. The body was packed in natron salt, a natural desiccant, for 40 days. This removed all moisture, turning the body into a dried-out shell. Asterisk. After 40 days, the shriveled body was washed again, then stuffed with linen, sawdust, or even onions to restore its shape. Step 3. Wrapping. The magic of bandages now. The real artistry began wrapping. Hundreds of yards of linen strips coated in sticky resin were wrapped around the body in precise patterns. Hidden within the wrappings were magical amulets for protection, the scarab beetle over the heart, the eye of Horus for healing. Each had a special purpose. Every layer was accompanied by prayers and spells to guide the dead safely into the afterlife. Step 4. The final rituals. Ready for eternity before burial, the opening of the mouth ceremony was performed. This ritual magically restored the mummy's senses, allowing them to eat, drink, and speak in the afterlife. Finally, the mummy was placed inside a coffin, sometimes nested within multiple coffins, and buried with food, jewelry, and even shabby dolls to serve them in the afterlife. Why go through all this trouble? For the Egyptians, death wasn't the end, it was a journey. The body had to remain intact so the soul could recognize it and live forever in the field of reeds. Today, mummies give us an incredible glimpse into ancient beliefs, medicine, and daily life. Who knows what other mysteries they still hold? And that's how the ancient Egyptians made mummies. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating history.
8. Please.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more knowledgeable videos.